मैं हूँ अश्मित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
and welcome to our channel Damsels in Style. So we've come to the 12th episode of Find Your Style.
and we are very proud of ourselves for continuing this series और आपको लगातार अच्छी tips और tricks देने के लिए we are proud of ourselves.
Yeah, or we're proud also because we've helped us. We've helped ourselves in ways that we didn't even realize. So I think hats off. So hats off to our team and our hard work.
So high five! Yay! Today we'll be talking about skin and their tones.
So this is a much awaited topic क्योंकि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा complicated है to understand और क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा variations हैं so it's like a very complicated thing to talk about. So we have some brief pointers जो हमने लिखे हुए हैं from our understanding of what skin tone is and what undertone is and we're gonna share those with you guys.
So when it comes to skin, you have two types of tones. That is skin tones. Skin tone which is visible and which is out there, which one can make out by just looking at you, whether you're fair, whether you are of a darker tone. It's a very prominent thing to make out. बट एक जो दूसरी चीज़ होती है जो कि बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज़ है व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्किन एंड इट्स टोन्स, दैट इज़ अंडरटोन. तो हमने कई बार सुना होगा कि ये तेरी अंडरटोन पे नहीं जा रहा या यू आर ऑफ अ ग्रीन अंडरटोन और ब्लू अंडरटोन. We used to hear this a lot on YouTube from our other YouTubers, but we didn't know ki what are they talking about.
From our other YouTubers.
As in other YouTubers, as in
Like
Tati.
we know them.
Tatu. Yeah. So like the big YouTubers Tati and Jeffree Star. So we would in college we would hear them talk about undertones and we'd be like, what are they talking about?
Make sure the foundation matches your undertone. Like, what is this undertone? And when someone says, you wear a really nice good top and you really like it, or जब तुम पहनते हो and you don't like it on yourself but it looks so good on your friend or someone else and you're like, why isn't it looking good on me? So we're gonna explain why.
So let's start by talking about skin tone. So as we said, skin tone is something that is very prominent, that is visible to everyone, and we'll talk about skin tones and how to figure out what skin tone you are in a different video. But हम आज बात करेंगे अंडरटोन्स के बारे में. आपको ये बताने से पहले कि आप कैसे फिगर आउट करें अपनी अंडरटोन, वी वुड लाइक टू टेल यू व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. एज अश्मित जस्ट मेंशन कि आपके ऊपर कई बार कोई कपड़े अच्छे नहीं लगते और आपके ऊपर कोई ज्वेलरी नहीं सूट करती. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज जो हमारी स्किन है वो इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ अ डिफरेंट ऑफ a lot of colors. किसी ने पेंटिंग क्लास कभी ली होगी तो आपको पता होगा कि you'll have to mix a lot of colors. उस मिक्सचर में either there'd be a lot of greens or either there'd be a lot of blues. So when you have green more in your skin, then you belong to the warmer undertone, and when you have blue more in your skin, then you belong to the cooler undertone. And when you are not able to figure out, or if
you have both of them,
or a lot of colors look good on you, then you are a neutral undertone where
you can experiment with anything. If you know your undertone, then you'll be able to decide what hair color to go for, what color of garments to pick, what color of jeans to go for, what color of jewelry to go for. So it'll be basic for you and you'll be able to solve a lot of styling problems.
सो इन ब्रीफ, स्किन टोन बाहर से दिखने वाली चीज़ फेयर हो सकती है, डार्क हो सकती है, मीडियम टोन की हो सकती है, बट जो अंडरटोन्स हैं वो इस चीज़ पे डिपेंड नहीं करती वेदर यू फेयर और डार्क. यू कैन बी फेयर एंड वार्म और यू कैन बी डार्क एंड कूल. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज देयर आर टू डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स एंड टू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एरियाज that
are being talked about.
And they are almost mutually exclusive. So yeah, now we'll talk about how to figure out what your undertone is.
So we're going to talk and discuss 3 ways where you can figure out your undertone. Starting with the first and a very basic method is to look at any part of your hand which is not tanned or which is not visible to the sun, so it's not tanned, and you can see the veins and you can see the color of your veins. So if you have blue veins popping from under your skin, you have a cool undertone, and if you have green veins popping from your skin tone, then you have
A
warm undertone. And if you can see both of them different parts of your body, then you have a neutral undertone.
Now, so our second method, where you can put this against your neck or your chest, और अगर इसके अगेंस्ट आपकी जो स्किन है वो थोड़ी पिंकिश या रेडिश लगती है, then you are more of a cooler undertone. And if against this white sheet, your skin looks yellowish, then you are of green undertone, as in the warmer undertone. And if you still don't know, if you still are not able to figure out which
Then we can't help you.
undertone you are, then you are neutral.
You're neutral. Because you don't need anybody's help. You
Yeah.
can wear anything you want. Coming to our third method, where we need a silver piece of jewelry and a golden one, and we're going to put it against our skin to see which one brings out the radiance, which one looks better on the skin tone. So as you can see, if I put this on my
Skin.
neck with my skin,
It doesn't do much for her, as in it doesn't radiate as much.
it does
Dulls it down, yeah.
dulls it down. And if I go for something golden and if I put that against my skin, then it sort of brightens it up and makes it more radiant.
So if silver looks good on you, then you're of cooler undertone, and if gold looks better on you, then you're of warmer undertone. और ये जो method है, this is a method used by French women,
Yeah.
because they're very particular about the jewelry they wear, so they don't mix their metals, as in वो या तो golden jewelry पहनती हैं या silver jewelry पहनती हैं, they don't do both. So that's why they are very strict and they're very particular about knowing what their undertone is, so that they can invest in that kind of jewelry and have variety of it.
And it brings out natural radiance. They don't have to like do a lot of things. So that's why they're called natural beauty, because they rely more on that and more on bringing out the natural element instead of, you know, putting a lot of stylized things.
Yeah. So this is it for today's video, guys.
And we hope this will help you in understanding your undertones. और इस वीडियो के basis पे we're gonna bring out a lot of other videos explaining the season and color season, how and what colors to shop for.
So watch out and subscribe to the channel. Comment down
And
below.
also share.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.